Do you know how to create this burn transition in your edits? I will add the burn overlay to the description. Let's get started. Place your main clip on video track 2 in the timeline. Move to the point where you want the transition to begin and make a cut. Next, drag the burn overlay, from the description, onto video track 3, right above your cut. Press Ctrl+R and stretch the overlay so it matches. Select the clip underneath and apply the track matte key effect. In the settings, set the matte to video 3, since that's where your overlay is placed. Bring in your second clip and align it with the start of the overlay. Duplicate the overlay by holding Alt and dragging it upward. Then change the blend mode to screen. And just like that, your burn transition is ready. If you want more advanced effects like this, you already know what to do. Keep leveling up.